How to change the alert sound in the TradingView app. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are on TradingView app and looking to change your alert sound, then here's how you do it. First of all, open the TradingView application on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner, and inside the menu option, which looks like this, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right. Inside the settings menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on push notifications, and under alerts, tap on alert sound option, choose a different alert. After selecting the alert sound, you can now get back, and that's how you change your alert sound in TradingView app. So there you have it. That's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.